Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, No More. I request everyone to please subscribe my video and press the bell icon for further notification. In this session, we are going to deal with the topic HCF and LCM. It's a very important and an easy topic from the point of view of all the competitive exams as well as campus interview. For a better understanding, I have divided this topic into 5 subtopics. The first one is the basics. Under the basics, you will learn how to find the HCF and the LCM of a number, and when it is given in the fraction form, how to find HCF and LCM, when it is given in the decimal form, how to find. So these all things comes under basic. The next is we'll solve problem based on this formula. The product of HCF into LCM is a product of two numbers. Okay, so based on this formula we have many things, so we'll learn some problem based on this formula. The third one is how to find the HCF when the number has the same remainder and when it has different remainder. So based on this concept, we'll have the third subtopic. The fourth one is how to find the LCM when the numbers have the same remainder and when the number gives different remainder, and they'll ask you to find the least 5-digit number or 4-digit number. So how to find it using LCM, and they'll ask you to find the greatest 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number. So for these kind of questions, how you use the LCM. The last one is the statement problem. So based on the given statement, how to differentiate whether you have to find the HCF or the LCM, that will deal at last. Okay. First, before entering the basics, you have to know what is HCF and LCM is. LCM means least common multiples. For example, I've taken the number 2, 4 and 6. So least common multiples. First write the multiples of 2. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It goes on like that. Next write the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. It goes on like that. Then multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So it also keeps going. Now see which number is common. The least number which is common in all the three. 2, is it available 3? No. 4 we have only in these two places. Here we don't have. So 4 also get cancelled. Now look, 6 we have here and here, but we don't have in the second thing. Okay, so 6 get cancelled. Next 8, we find 8 here and here, but we don't have 8 here, so that also get cancelled. 10 we have only here, so that also get cancelled. Now see here, 12 you can find here, you can find here, you can find here. So that is the least common multiple. Okay, next we'll find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. LCM means we have to write the multiples. For HCF we have to write the factors. Now the same thing will take 2, 4, 6. Okay, so the factors means this number by which number it's completely divisible. So we can divide it by 1 and we can divide it by 2. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Same way we have 4. For 4, 1 by 2 table you can divide, by 3 table you can't divide, and only by 4 table you can divide. Okay, then 6 by 1 table you can divide, by 2 table you can divide, by 3 table you can divide, 4 you can't, 5 you can't, by 6 you can. Okay, now HCF is the highest common factor. So we have 1 here, that is the common factor. After 1, what is the next common factor? We have 2, 2 here, 2 here. So that is the highest common factor. Okay, when compared to 1 and 2, 2 is the highest. So HCF of 2, 4, 6 is 2. The first problem is find the HCF and LCM of 24, 36 and 40. So first let's find LCM. Okay, so I'm going for the long division method. 24, 36, 40. So first just see whether these three numbers are divisible by a common number. Yes, it's divisible by 2. So first go with it. 12, 18, 20. The next step also see whether these three numbers are divisible by a common number. Yes, it's divisible by 2. So we have 6, 9, 10. But if you see here, these three numbers are not divisible by common number. You can take either 6 or 9. Okay, 6 and 9, it is divisible by 3. And you can take 6 and 10, it is divisible by 2. So you can take any number. So I'm taking 2. So if I take 2, it will come 3. And the number which is not divisible by 2. Okay, you have to write the number without any change. So 9, and 10 is divisible by 2 5 times. Okay. Now in the third line, if you see, we have 3 and 9, which is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 5 is not divisible by 3. So I'm writing 5 as it is. Okay. So we got 1. So 3. 3, 1, 1, 5. So last is 5. So we have 1, 1, 1. Okay. So LCM is the multiplication of all these numbers. So we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So if you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 into 3 5s are 15. So 24 into 15, it will give you 360. Okay. So this is the LCM. Okay. Next we'll go to HCF. HCF, we have two methods, and when you're supposed to find the HCF of a larger number, I prefer doing it by the division method. Okay. So let's find the HCF using the prime factorization method. No need to do the thing. I'll show you here itself. Now see, in LCM, even if two number, only out of three number, only when two numbers divisible by a common number, we keep proceeding it till we get the last number. But in HCF, you cannot do that. All the three numbers should be divisible by a common number. Okay. After that, if you get a number, even if one number is not divisible by a common number, we have to stop there. Now you can take the first one. So we all the three is divisible by 2. So this is okay. So in second step, we are taking all this number 12, 18 and 20 is divisible by 2. So that is also okay. Okay. So third, when you take, we don't have anything. Third, when you take, we don't have anything because 6 and 9 is divisible by 3, but 10 is not divisible. So here you have to stop. So I will show it here. So 24, 36, 40 if you take. So first it is divisible by 2. So 2 12s are 18, 20. So again it is divisible by 2. So we have 6, 9, 10. So after this, if you see, 6 and 9 is divisible by 3, but 10 is not divisible by 3. Okay. 6 and 10 is divisible by 2, but 9 is not divisible by 2. So here we stop. Okay. If it is LCM, we just continue it. Okay. Till we get 1. But HCF, you cannot do that. We stop here and 2 into 2. Okay. HCF is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So this is method 1. I'll show you the second method also. I prefer the later when you have when you have more than 3 or 4 digits. I prefer the later method. Okay. Now for the division method, what you have to do, out of the 3 numbers, just see which are the 2 biggest numbers. So we have 36 and 40. They are the biggest number. So put the first biggest number inside and the second one outside, 36. So 36 will divide 40 one time. So we'll get 36. Remainder is 4. Now what you have to do, you have to bring this 36 here. If you bring this 36 here, it is divided 9 times. So we have 36. 9s are 36. The remainder is 0. So for these two numbers, 40 and 36, the HCF is 4. Now what you have to do, you have to take that HCF and one more number is there now, 24. Okay, you have to divide it. So 24, if you divide it by 6 times, you will get it as 24. So the answer is 0. And this is the HCF. So HCF of 24, 36, 40 is 4. So in both the methods, you will get the same answer. So the next problem is we are going to find the HCF and LCM when the number is in fraction. So first we'll find the HCF. So HCF of this given fraction number is HCF of the numerator divided by LCM of the denominator. Okay. And when you are supposed to find the LCM of this fraction, it is LCM of the numerator divided by HCF of denominator. Okay. So first let's find the HCF of the numerators. 2, 6, 4, 10. No need to do the successive division method. Now you see the least number is 2. 2 can divide 6, 4 and 10. So the HCF is 2. Okay. Now let's find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of denominator is 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. So we'll find the thing 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 2 times 1, 1, 3, 2. So we have 3 times 1, 1, 1, 2 and the last is 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So if you multiply, you'll get us 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So the LCM is 36. So the answer is HCF of numerator is 2 divided by 36, which is equal to 1 divided by 18. So the HCF is 1 divided by 18. Now let's find the LCM. So LCM of numerator. LCM of numerator is 2, 6, 4, 10. So it can be divided by 2 tables. So 1, 3, 2, 5. So again, all these 3 things are, 3 numbers are prime numbers. So we can directly multiply. So LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. So it is equal to 6 into 10, 60. Okay. Now HCF. HCF of the denominator. Denominator is 3, 6, 9, 12. Now if you see here, the least number is 3. 3 can be divided, 6 can be divided by 3 and 9 can be divided by 3 and 12 can be divided by 3 completely. So from this directly we can find the HCF is 3. So the LCM is equal to LCM of numerator. Numerator is 60 divided by 3. So which is equal to 20 by 1. Now let's find the HCF and LCM of the decimal number. Okay, let's see the question. Find the HCF and LCM of 1.2, 0.8 and 3.4. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to convert the decimal number into whole number. In case if they're given you like 3 numbers are 1.2, 0.34. Okay, now see here, after the decimal point you have 1 digit and after the decimal point you have 2 digit here. So 2 is the highest. So you have to multiply all the numbers by 100. So if you multiply this number by 100, it becomes 120 and this one will become 34. So now you can find the HCF and LCM of these given numbers. Okay, so the same way we'll do here. Now if you see here, after decimal you have 1 digit, after decimal 1, after decimal 1. So you have to multiply all the numbers by 10. Okay, so multiply it by 10. So you will get it as 12, 8 and 34. Okay, now let's find the LCM of all these 3 numbers. So 12, 8, 34. We can divide it by 2 tables. If you divide by 2, you will get it as 6, 4 and 17. Next you have 2 table, 3, 4, 17 you cannot divide, 3, 2, 17 you cannot divide, and 3, 1, 2, 17. Then we have 2, 1, 1, 17 and 17 is a prime number, so 17, 1, 1, 1. Now multiply all these numbers. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 17. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 into 17 we'll get it as 408. So the LCM of this one is 408. We'll just keep it. Afterwards I'll tell you what to do. Now let's find the HCF of these numbers. To find the HCF, I think from here itself you can find out. Okay, so here in the second step itself we don't have anything in common, so we can stop it here. Once I'll show you here, 12, 8, 34. So the common number which divides all the 3 numbers is 2. So if you have 2, 6, 4 and 17. Now 6 and 4 have something in common too, but 17 is not divisible by that. So we will stop it here. So HCF is equal to 2. Okay, don't just leave the problem here. We already multiplied the number by 10. So now what you have to do, answer you have to divide it by 10. So divided by 10, here also divided by 10. So you'll get the answer as LCM is 40.8 and HCF is 0.2. So this is the answer. With this, we have come to the end of today's video, that is the basics. I hope this video will be useful to all of you and you can practice many problems based on this. I request everyone to subscribe my channel and to press the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching my video and have a nice day.